Hey everyone, and welcome back to Hoffman Engineering. Today we are going to add acoustic treatments to my 3D printing room. This small office has bare walls, which does not work well when trying to record audio. The sound reflects off the walls directly back into the microphone, which causes reverb and other sound artifacts.
There is no better time to join the 3D printing hobby than today.
It is just not a pleasing auditory experience. One easy way to combat this is to put up acoustic foam panels. These foam panels absorb some of the sound energy, but also cause the sound to be reflected in different directions, away from the microphone. They are a low-cost solution to reduce mid to high range frequencies, which is perfect for reducing the reverb of my voice and 3D printers. Now I picked up 48 of these 1 foot by 1 foot panels from Amazon for about $100. I have links to what I purchased in the description. Each panel consists of 6 wedges, which are about 2 inches thick. When they first arrived after shipping, they were compressed to save space, and were about 1 inch thick. But after leaving them unpacked inside the house for a few days, they expanded into their advertised 2 inches. My interns really enjoyed inspecting the panels to make sure they were of the highest quality. Attaching them to the wall was really easy. I wanted to be able to remove them from the walls without damaging either the wall or the foam. So I picked up a few packs of 3M command strip adhesive. These are just strips with 2 sides of adhesive, and the strip can be pulled to remove the panels cleanly later on. They have a red side which goes towards the foam, and a black side which gets put towards the wall. To mount the panels, I added 2 strips to each panel and started arranging them on the wall. I used a bubble level to make sure each panel was straight, and used an extra panel to help give the correct spacing. I chose to space the panels out in a checkerboard pattern. It is more efficient if you are trying to cover large areas of a room with a small number of panels. The exposed edges increase the surface area which can interact with the sound waves. It also gives a convenient space to place my Patreon plaque. And I can always add more panels later on if need be. And there we go, the panels are all up on the wall. Now let's hear the difference it has on the quality of the audio. I'm about to play some before and after recordings. Listen for the reverberation in the room, but also listen for high frequency sound flutter. Headphones will make it easier to hear a difference. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Hoffman Engineering. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Hoffman Engineering. And this is the sound of the room before putting up the sound treatments. So this is what it sounds like with 31 of the panels up, and you can see that there is a pretty big difference that I can hear even without listening to the recording. Even just being in this room, you can hear quite a bit of difference. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Test, 1, 2, 3. As you can hear, adding the acoustic foam panels make a rather large difference in this room. If you wanted to go even further, say you were trying to treat an entertainment center or an instrument practice room, they make different types of acoustic treatments to help with those specific situations. But as a YouTuber who just wants to 3D print without going deaf, I think this will work just fine. So thank you all for watching. I wouldn't be doing this if it wasn't for this awesome community. If you have any tips or tricks for better audio, please leave them in the comments down below. I would love to hear your suggestions. And I will see you all next time.